Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a full review of Quicken Classic Premier 2025. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So the first thing that you want to know is that Quicken Classic Premier is an advanced personal finance software designed for detailed financial tracking. Over here, it built on Quicken Classic Glugs but add investment tracking and tax planning features. After that, let's talk about advanced investment tracking over here. This feature allows users to monitor their investment portfolios, analyze performance, and track market trends to make informed financial decisions. Then move on the comprehensive tax planning over here. The software includes built-in tax reports that help track detectable expenses, taxing, and the preparation easier after that. Let's go over to the direct bill payment over here. Quick and Classic Premium lets users pay bills directly through the platform, simplify bill management and helping avoid missed payment. Now, let's talk about premium customer support over here. Users of the premium edition get priority access to custom support for faster and assistance with inquiries or technical issues. Then moving on to the pricing over here. The Quick and Classic Premium operate on a subscription model costing $95.88 per year for its advanced feature and support. Now let's go over to the user experience over here. User appreciate the strong investment tracking and financial management tool. Then the ability to integrate various financial accounts provide a complete financial overview. Here some user find the extensive feature required time to learn. After that, let's go over to the consideration over here. The learning curve may be steep for new users due to the wide array of features. Then the software is a desktop centric which may be not suit users who prefer mobile access. So that's the full review of Quick and Classic Premium 2025. That's it.